Hi, I'm Aleksandra, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through the basics of integration and some examples, and it is from the AQA A-Level Maths specification. Integration is the opposite of differentiation. So when you integrate something, you're trying to find a function that returns to what you started with when you differentiate it, and this function is called an integral. So this here is how we're going to find integration. So we increase the power by 1 and then we divide by it. And also don't forget to add the constant at the end. And we can see how that comes into play within the following section. So let's say we've got a function of y equals to 3x to the 5, take away 6x plus 2. If we wanted to differentiate this, we would do dy over dx is equal to 15x to the 4, take away 6. So the real question is, how do I reverse the process? If I was given dy over dx, how would I get back to the original y equals to equation? And that's what we want to learn here. So using the formula, which I've shown you on the previous slide, we can say that 15x to the 4, so we increase the power by 1, so that becomes 15x to the 5. And then we divide that by the power, so it's going to be 15x to the 5 divided by 5. Take away, so we've got there 6. So that technically equals to 6x to the 0. So what we do is we increase that power by 1 and divide that by 1. And we add the constant plus c. And that's going to come to, so 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So 3x to the 5. 6 divided by 1 is just 6. So it's going to be 6x. And x to the power of 1 is just 1, and then we've got the constant plus c. In this example, we're going to look at how to integrate a function and also find the unknown constant c using coordinates of a point that we're given. This is just a simple exam-style question. So the curve y is equal to f of x goes through the point 2 and 8, and f prime of x is equal to 6x multiplied by x minus 1, and therefore we need to find the f of x. So the first thing we're going to do is expand these brackets. So f prime of x is equal to 6x multiplied by x minus 1, and that's going to be 6x squared, take away 6x. Second thing we need to do is we need to integrate that function. So we do 6x squared take away 6x. So we know that we need to add 1 to the power, so that's going to become 6x to the power of 3, and then we also divide by the power, so it's going to be divided by 3. Take away 6x to the power of 2, because technically here there's a 1. So we add 1 to the power, and then we divide that by 2 as well. And also don't forget to add plus c at the end. And therefore that equals to 2x to the power of 3, take away 3x squared plus c. So we could find c using the point where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8. And we sub that into the original equation. So 8 is equal to 2 times 2 to the power of 3, take away 3 times 2 to the power of 2, plus c. So that is equal to 16, take away 12 plus c, and therefore c is equal to 4. Therefore, the equation is 2x to the power of 3, take away 3x squared plus 4. And this is how we can integrate in order to find the equation of the curves. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to leave a subscribe and like if you want to see more of this content. Thank you, bye!